Gaurav Sawant, who tracks international relations and especially the incoming Trump Sarkar very closely, is live with me. Gaurav, what are you making of these rather dramatic statements and posts by Donald Trump about Canada and Greenland merging with the United States?
Shiv, these are very significant statements. While some may want to pass them off as Trump mocking Justin Trudeau, but it's much more than that. There is tremendous strategic significance of every statement that Donald Trump, is making. He may be testing waters, but look at the way the strategic community is looking at the issue of Greenland, for example. The United States is late to the party when it comes to either one, exploration, or two, control of the Arctic region. That is where Russia and China have made deep inroads. China's already talking about the polar Silk Route at a time when China's northernmost tip is about 1,400 kilometers away from the Arctic Circle, and yet China's talking about the northern, the polar Silk Route, which will reduce the distance, the sea route from Asia to the United States of America. So it's very significant. Also keep in mind, as the polar ice melts, so you have vast amount of water, you have territory, you have islands, you have and who controls those islands, and 200 nautical miles areas from those islands, untapped gas resources, oil resources. So this is a war for resources, and owning Greenland or controlling Greenland will have a very significant role there. Again with Canada, for protection again of this region where Russia is making inroads. If Canada and the United States have a closer treaty, then it's or a one, as Trump mockingly puts it, then America gains major inroads in the polar region. The third country, the third area is the Panama, region, that the country that he's talking about, and the canal that passes there, the tariff that is being charged from U.S. ships. Trump is very unhappy about that. He also wants to ensure that Chinese influence in that region is also curtailed as much as possible. So very, very significant statements. It may be mocked at right now, but the implications are major in times to come.
Okay, so it's not just the usual bombast from Trump. There is a strategic implication to what he's talking about, like you just heard Gaurav say, and you'll hear more about that at 10 p.m. on India First with Gaurav as well.